What's going on, guys? It's Nick on drums here. Today's video, I'm playing this goofy ass fucking game called The Boat Grandma. It's free on Xbox stores, free to play. Play at your own risk if you want to laugh your fucking heart out of your chest. So yeah, enjoy. Thanks. Bye.
Dude, you can't even fucking hide underneath the beds. That's how broken this shit is. But this is like the goofiest shit ever, trust me. Yeah, I need to shut myself up for a second. There we go. Anyways, I know, yeah, I took like a however month-long nap. Haven't uploaded since the Tornado of Souls cover, I think. But there she is. She has a fucking hat and a boat stuck through her, and she can't even fit through the goddamn door. Now that is downright fucking hilarious. It's so bad. It's so bad. Oh god, she got unstuck. Run. I'm stuck. Here, I'm gonna pull some Magic Man shit on her. Come here, bitch. Now you see me, now you Yeah, I got through the wall, dude. No wonder this shit was free. No wonder it was fucking free on Xbox Store. There's no objective. You just gotta run. That's how unfinished this shit is. She's literally fucking T-posing. You can't even go to the goddamn basement. Look at my fucking shadow. It's like a ghost. Oh god, it's a bad dragon. It's true. Did she get me? Oh yeah, she did. Anyways, cut to the next part. Called You Can't Do Shit with them. They're just there to be there. You can't even see yourself in the mirror. It's just like blood red. Why does the toilet have blood in it? Dude, I'm laughing so hard I'm sweating right now. I mean, it is hot as fuck in here. Oh god! She's... Oh my god. Help. Dude, wait, what's she doing?
I'm going to shaft you.
Oh god, no! God damn it. Okay, we're back. We're back. Fuck. There she is.
Do you know who Zach Justice is, Brady? Zach Justice.
Come here, bitch.
You remind me
Get stuck in the goddamn doorway because you can't fit because your boat's too fucking... Oh shit, I was wrong. I was wrong. Ah. I'm stuck in a wall. I think this will be like the last one. My fucking funny fuse has been blown. Oh god, no! Shit! My fucking... My spine hurts. Owie. Whoa, secret doorway. Hello. Oh, fuck. Wrong way. You can't even hide. I fell off the fucking map! What the fuck? I'm done with this shit, man. Thanks so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.